Hello students, welcome to Shodhana YouTube channel. In today's class, I am going to give the basic general characters of the organisms present in the various kingdoms proposed by the Whittaker. So according to Whittaker, 5 kingdoms are proposed. The first kingdom is Monera. The animals present in the Monera are nothing but the bacteria. You know that bacteria are unicellular. A single cell is present in the single cell is made the entire organism. So they are prokaryotes. Prokaryotes means they don't contain any exact nucleus or any membrane bound nucleus is absent. So and at the same time they reproduce by the binary fission means one organism split into two organisms, and they contain the locomotive organs like flagella, a long flagellum you are finding in the figure above given, or they contain the cilia like structure, short hair like structures around the cell, and they show saprophytic or saprobic nutrition means they are the major decomposers. And you know that some monoderns cause the diseases, and most of them are very friendly. And here examples you can see the ancient bacteria and the rhizobium like eubacterium, and blue green algae also one type of bacteria which show the structure of the algae are included in the Monera. And coming to the second kingdom, Protista. So like Monera, these also unicellular, but the major difference is the monerans are the prokaryotes and the Protist group of animals are eukaryotic organisms. And the nutrition is autotrophic or heterotrophic because euglena like organisms, they contain the chloroplast, and thus they show the autotrophic nutrition. And they live in groups or they live a single, and the reproduction is binary fission. You know that the best example is amoeba, and amoeba shows the irregular binary fission, and euglena shows the longitudinal binary fission, and the paramecium shows the transverse binary fission. So the major difference between Monera and Protista is they are prokaryotic and these are eukaryotic. And coming to the fungi, and you know that the bread molds are included, and also these are microscopic organisms, but we can see the mushrooms with our directly we can see the mushrooms. And you know that the fungus are they are the multicellular, but the yeast like microorganisms are unicellular, and these are also eukaryotic organisms. And the fungus, it is the best example for the decomposing type of nutrition, nothing but they also saprobic nutrition, and they show the reproduction by budding, otherwise they produce the spores, and some fungal filaments by the fragmentation also they produce the new fungal filaments. Examples are the bread molds and also mushrooms. And coming to the next kingdom, Plantae. So you know that the plants are the multicellular organisms, and their cells are made by the cell wall, and they are autotrophs, we know, because they only produce the food for the entire living organisms present on the earth. At the same time, they are reproduced by asexual or sexual methods. And coming to the examples are like pine, mango trees, like so many examples are there. We see the classification of the plant kingdom later. And the last one is animal kingdom. So in the animal kingdom, all the animals are completely included, and they also that they different type of animals are there in the animal kingdom. We see the classification of the animal kingdom later, but before that, so these are also the multicellular, and these are also eukaryotic organisms, and they do not contain the cell wall, only they contain the cell membrane, and they also show the asexual or sexual reproduction. And the locomotive organs are they move from one place to another place with the example with the help of the legs, wings or fins, like fishes, in the case of the fishes. So but you know that the sponges are they are the sedentary, they can't move from one place to another place. So this is the general basic characters of the different kingdoms present in the Whittaker classification. So children, we see the complete classification of the Plantae and Animalia in the next class. Keep watching my channel for more videos.